1995. Growing up,
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you this classic golden glitter eye makeup, and I'm going to use the KYLIE lip kit today. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. Also, I've already done my base makeup, so we are directly going to start with the eyes. So guys, to start off this eye makeup look, first I'm going to take my Huda Beauty's Emerald Obsession palette, and I'm going to take the brown color which is inside this, and it is this one. So I'm going to take this eyeshadow first.
telling me to see you there with a broken heart. If you knew I've been waiting on you. I've been waiting on you. Coming like a wrecking ball, crying on me, saying how they make you feel so small.
So applied the brown eyeshadow just on the crease, and I just applied on the outer part of my eye. And now I'm going to take my Color Bar foundation stick. So this one's in the shade Natural. So this is how the foundation stick is, and I am going to apply that on the lids of my eye. So I'm going to apply that with a flat brush. So I'm going to take this foundation on my flat brush, and I'm just going to apply that on the lid of my eye.
See you there with a broken heart. If you knew I've been waiting on you. I've been waiting on.
And now I'm going to take my MAC Translucid Shimmer Glitter. This is a golden shimmer. So this is how the glitter is. It's highly pigmented and it has a little fall off, so I'm just going to use my fingers to apply. So the reason to apply a foundation stick or like concealer is so that the pigment does not fall. So I'm very lightly going to apply it on the area where I applied my foundation.
Been friends since 1995. Growing up, same street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years they would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah. Call you up, how you been? Can we play and rewind? Yeah, those other guys you choose, they don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on.
I'm just going to take the same brush I applied my brown shadow, and I'm just going to dust off the excess which I applied right above that.
And it's killing me to see you there with a broken heart. If you knew I've been waiting on.
So after I'm done applying this glitter, I'm going to take my Lotus Color Stick Kajal pencil, and I am going to just apply it in my waterline and on my lower lash line.
Crying on me, saying how they make you feel so small. When the rain couldn't get any clearer, I'm the one holding up all your mirrors, baby. Hurry up, back to me, why'd you ever move on? Yeah, you're making me confused. I'm the one that you should choose. I've been waiting on.
So now I'll quickly do my left eye and I'll be right back. So I'm done with my eyeshadow, and now I'm going to apply lipstick. So today for my lips, I'm going to use this Kylie Jenner's KYLIE lip kit, and this one is in the shade Exposed. So I'm going to use this. Well, this is the first time I'm using any KYLIE product, so let's give it a try. So they have a lip liner and a gloss all together. So this is the lip liner and this is the KYLIE's lip gloss. Well, this shade is like pretty nude. It's the exact same shade of your lips. So now I'm going to apply the lip gloss. So guys, this is the final result, and now I'm gonna give you a closer look on how this makeup looks.
Heart, yeah. Call you up, how you been? Can we play and rewind? Yeah, those other guys you choose, they don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on you for so long, and it's killing me to see you there with a broken heart.
So guys, this is the final result. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social media, so links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Back to me, why'd you ever move on? Yeah, yeah, you're making me confused. I'm the one that you